Hi, hello, welcome back. Anchovy. These are small edible fishes rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which promotes healthy brain and heart. Today, we're going to prepare a simple anchovy fry. I have taken half a kilogram of fresh, cleaned anchovies. Now for the masala, I have taken a small bowl. We'll add 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt for taste, 1.5 teaspoon of Rava or suji, one teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, lemon juice 1 teaspoon, two teaspoons of edible oil, mix it well. Now that the paste is ready, we will apply this paste on the fish. Now we will allow this fish to marinate for 30 minutes. Now that the fish has been marinating for 30 minutes, we will fry this fish. Now for frying this fish, I have taken a flat tawa. Preheat the tawa in medium flame and add 3 to 4 teaspoons of edible oil. Once the oil is warm, we will add the fishes. Once the fish is fried on one side, we will turn it over so that the fish gets fried on the other side too. fry is ready. Hope you love my videos. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.